Good evening, everyone. It's Wynn Brown with Heywood Healthcare's COVID-19 update for Wednesday, the 9th of December. I hope you are all doing well. I'm happy to give you an update on where we are as a community. At Heywood Healthcare, just to give you some stats, year to date, we have tested 38,704 COVID tests, yielding 37,235 negative and 1,005 positives and 113 indeterminate. And Dan French, our lab director, gave us a statistic earlier this week that just in the month of November alone, we did over 6,600 COVID-19 tests at Heywood Healthcare at both Tully, our urgent cares, and our DriveThru testing, which is available 7 days a week. And I do want to let everybody know that on Monday, the 14th, this coming Monday, we are changing our testing location at the Heywood Healthcare, which is DriveThru behind the Annex building. We're just moving it across Matthew Street to the Damon building, the Damon Pod building on the parking lot there. So you'll get out of your car, walk inside, and then walk out a different door to have your testing done. If you have any mobility issues and want to be tested in your car, you just need to let us know when you schedule your appointment for your time to come in and have your COVID testing done. That number is 978-630-6186. So just want to let you know that the location's moving about 150 yards, but we're still available 7 days a week. Our hours of operation are Monday and Thursday, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., and Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. For those of you who still need to be tested in your car, because of mobility issues, we're going to have a special reserved area for you so that staff can come out and test you. So thank you very much to the great staff who are doing that testing, and we're happy to get them inside with the cold weather, and I'm sure they're happy as well. So thank you very much for utilizing that service. It does book out a bit, so if you need a COVID test because you are traveling or someone's coming home from college and you need to know that versus being symptomatic, please make that appointment early and ahead of schedule because, again, it is a very, very busy service if you think about the number of tests, over 200 tests a day happening at that center. Looking at our results as a community and as a region, we have a positive cumulative rate still sitting at 2.6. The state has edged up to 2.8%. So you can see over time that it takes a bit to move those numbers, but the state positivity rate is up as well. Our 7-day rolling average is moved up to 7.8%. And the state has moved to 5.81%. And we are definitely seeing a large number of positive tests in our region. I'm kind of shocked every day when they come in. We have a couple of long-term care facilities in the region that also are having some challenges with COVID-19 patients. We continue to be able to manage that very well and are still open 100% for business. The governor did come out with new orders at phase 3 in the state. And we're waiting for some further clarification, but we continue to be operating business as usual at Heywood and Athol and all our medical practices. So when we're safe and we're open for business. At Heywood, our inpatient positives has increased today up to 5 inpatients, 3 on Watkins 1 and 2 on Watkins 2. And just to let you know, too, that there was community testing earlier this week conducted behind City Hall, and I think I might have mentioned it on Monday, but I think it was 426 or 27 tests were done. So great work by the city partnering with the Commonwealth to get that done. There is some information regarding the vaccines, which we are expecting probably the beginning of next week to begin offering that to our staff. There's a link here, mass.gov/COVID vaccine, that you can link on and get more information on that. So again, please do everything you can to be safe, socially distanced, have all your best practices so that we keep the disease load down, so that we continue to care for you as we continue our journey to be one of the best community-owned health systems in America. Have a great evening, everyone.